So kaya nga usually 'di ba yung mga may asawa diyan may mga spiel sila na I will ask my wife first, 'di ba?
Oo.
Kasi para at least align kayo lalo na kung major expense. Pero kung mga minimal naman like day to day, ano naman kami basta alam namin yung budget kahit hindi ko naman na siya inform but in case of major decisions, so kasi syempre ano yan eh, kumbaga siya yung sign off, di ba?
Mm.
Para hindi rin siya magugulat. Kasi yung mga stories din na naririnig ko sa mga seminars or sa mga consultations na nagawa ko rin as a registered financial planner, minsan yung iba nagugulat yung spouse nila eh. They bought a significant, let's say, collector siya, meron siyang biniling bagay na medyo more than 10K yung value, minsan nagugulat yung spouse kasi nasisira yung budget. So ako ngayon, I usually inform her kapag ka mga major decisions or major expenses. Then nag-uusap kami kung is this part of our needs for this season or it's a want. Kasi may mga priorities eh. If
Mm.
you're already married or you have a family or you're just planning to settle down, nag-iiba yung priorities. So like before having kids, kasi ngayon may dalawa na kaming kids, ang iniisip pa namin nun is to travel, pero ngayon medyo nag-slow down muna sa travel, more on may priorities lang to build something for the kids.
Yes.
So it's really having an alignment with your family member or spouse or letting them know if in case you have a major financial decision. Yeah.
Are you the one na nag-handle ng finances at home?